The second is time period grouping and safety stock functions of Asprova. The quantity of the MRP lot size was specified in the previous video. Not only that, you can change it based on the demand quantity for a certain period. You control the lot size on a monthly or weekly basis. And you can reduce inventory. I will explain how to set it up. Time period grouping can make a production lot size that summarizes the number of use per week or month. In this example on the item table, you set lot sigging period, lot sigging cycle, and lot sizing start. Here, lot size period will be 7 days and lot sigging start will be July 29th. In this case, we will summarize the demand from January 29th to February 4th. 300 demand is united and 300 manufacturing orders are generated. Next, from February 5th to February 11th, demand is organized and 500 manufacturing orders are generated. This will generate as much manufacturing order as needed. You can reduce inventory. Next, in the picture, lot sizing cycle is set to month. So, the lot size period is reset every month. For example, from January 29th to 31st reset and only 100 pieces of manufacturing order has been generated. 500 manufacturing order is generated from February 1st to February 7th. And 200 manufacturing order is generated from February 8th to February 15th. In this way, the number of manufactured orders can be controlled using the time period grouping settings in the item table. Now with the ability to summarize demand by time, we can reduce inventory. But they want leeway, margin, when demand fluctuates. I will explain the function of safety stock. Set up safety stock in the item table. For example, if the safety stock is set to 100 pieces, Asprova will sell 300 pieces from January 29th to February 4th. Add safety stock to demand, generate 400 production orders. Next, February 5th to February 11th period, Asprova creates a production order of 500 as is. We want to hold safety stock. That's why Asprova adds safety stock to the first order. Well, in the previous video I explained the lot size. What if we set lot size and period wrap together? If both are set, both are basically valid. Then the more restrictive setting is applied. See example. Lot size unit is 50. Lot size max is 400. Lot size min is 200. Lot sizing period is 7 days. Lot sizing start is January 29th. In this case, 360 from April 29th to February 4th, 400 production orders have been generated. Lot size unit 50 is applied. Next, the total production orders from February 5th to February 11th are 530 pieces. Asprova applies a maximum lot size of 400 first, generate 400 production orders for. There are 130 left. Lot size min is 200. So, Asprova creates a production order for 200 pieces. Next 90 pieces. Lot size min is 200. So, 200 orders. Asprova's MRP can set conditions for inventory allocation. When two warehouses A and B have the same item in stock, which one to use? You can specify